Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about a serious issue, that is Windows 11 and SSDs, and why so many users are reporting slowdowns, crashes, and even drives wearing out faster than expected. So the question here is, what's exactly going on? So the one big reason is the background processes. Windows 11 constantly writes small bits of data in the background, from indexing search to logging the telemetry. So over time, this puts extra stress on SSDs, especially the cheaper ones with lower endurance. So another factor is the updates and the bugs. Several Windows 11 updates have been caught reducing SSD performance, sometimes cutting speeds in half. Microsoft usually patches them later, but those temporary bugs still mean extra read and write cycles that shorten the drive's life. Then there is security related feature like VBS and encryption. They are great for safety, but they increase the workload on your storage, which can also make SSD feel slower or degrade quicker if you are running a lot of tasks. Finally, the misconfigured settings are also the culprit. Things like leaving right catching off and using the wrong power plan can cause unnecessary stress on your SSD without you realizing it. So, to sum it up, I would like to say that background writes, then we have buggy updates, then heavy security features, and poor settings are likely why Windows 11 seems to break SSDs. So, if you are worried, you can keep your system updated, you can tweak the power settings, and avoid cheap drives for low endurance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.